Ever wondered how to change your Amazon Seller Central profile name? Well, it's actually really easy and it'll take you less than 30 seconds to do. I'm Dylan Heathcote from AMZ Joy. Let's jump into this video. Okay, starting off, we're going to head over into our Seller Central account. Firstly, what do I mean by the profile name? It essentially means this name here. So you can see on the back end that mine is Insire. And this is what you can, in fact, change. And it's quite simple. And this is how to do it. So head over to your settings on the right-hand side, click Account Info. Next, out of all these options on the left, click Store Info. Then click Your Seller Profile. And then here you can see that my display name for each marketplace is Insire, Insire, Insire. And all you need to do in order to change the display name is change it for each marketplace at a time. So for example, for the US, Amazon.com, we click Edit, enter in our new name, and then click Submit. That's it. That's how simple it is. I'm Dylan Heathcote from AMZ Joy. Thank you for watching.